If you're a gamer on a budget and want to build a custom gaming PC without breaking the bank, you've come to the right place. First up, we need to pick a solid processor. Consider AMD Ryzen 5 5600X or Intel Core i5 12400F for great value. Next, let's talk about the GPU. The NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super or AMD Radeon RX 6600 are perfect for 1080p gaming. For gaming, 16GB of DDR4 RAM is ideal, and a 500GB SSD, like the Crucial P3, will give you faster load times. You'll need a reliable power supply of at least 600 watts and a case with good airflow. Brands like EVGA are budget-friendly. Finally, once all your parts arrive, it's time to assemble. There are plenty of guides online to help you. And there you have it, a custom gaming PC for under $1,000. I hope this guide helps, and happy building.